Hello YouTuber and Viewmaster friend, 3D and retro enthusiast. We are very happy that you are here. Please keep your stereo viewer and the Viewmaster 3D reel set ready, which we show here in our video. Even if you don't have this 3D picture set yet, maybe you can just listen to our spoken text and imagine the motifs in your own fantasy world. Now listen to the following audio video while you take your time looking at the 3D images and switching accordingly frame by frame. These are the Talking Viewmaster 3D Reels Jungle Book by Walt Disney. Viewmaster Reel 1. Picture 1.
Sadly decided that Mowgli, the boy they had raised, must go back to the man village. Shere Khan the tiger has sworn to kill him.
Picture 2.
But Bagheera, I don't want to leave the jungle. Please don't take me back to the man village.
Nonsense, you must go, and the panther is good protection.
Picture 3.
Stopped to rest in a tree that night. Kaa the python tried to hypnotize Mowgli.
Go to sleep, tasty little man cub.
Picture 4.
Bagheera awakened just in time. With his razor-sharp claws, he swatted Kaa right in the nose.
The claws are loose. I'm free.
Picture 5.
In the morning, the elephant dog patrol led by Colonel Hati came marching by. Mowgli decided to join it.
Picture 6.
During inspection, Colonel Hati came to Mowgli. What happened to your trunk? Why, a man cub. This is breathing. Take one. Go on, watch.
Picture 7.
My boy, you must never bring man cubs to drill with us.
Colonel, you forgot to tell the elephants to stop marching.
Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 1. Picture 2. Picture 3.
Much as the old black deer's pretty mad at you, Mowgli. Why don't you live in the jungle with me, Bubba? Gotta learn to protect yourself, though. Let's rock.
Picture 4. Picture 5. Picture 6. Picture 7.
Jimmy Mowgli came Wooly. He's supposed to do romance, Billy. Get him. The case was off. The faster and the blue grab the blue.
Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 1. Picture 2.
Louie was still trying to hold up the corner as the whole temple came crashing down.
Picture 3.
Out of the jungle came Shere Khan. He saw Mowgli. He sprang. Just then, lightning hit a nearby tree.
Picture 4.
Shere Khan was beaten blue terribly. Mowgli grabbed a burning branch from the tree and tied it to Shere Khan's tail. The tiger panicked.
Picture 5.
Poor Rainbow Blue. Dad.
But the man was only unconscious, and when he heard Mowgli crying, even he got a tear in his eye.
Picture 6.
Look, it's a girl. Look at the tree for a closer look.
Picture 7.
The girl smiled shyly and started for the village. Mowgli filled her water jug and followed.
Goodbye, Bagheera. Goodbye, Baloo. I love you.
We want to add new videos every day, and if you don't want to miss any of them, subscribe to our channel for free.
And press the little bell. We are also happy to have a thumb up.